How to use DoNotPay, iLegal document properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. DoNotPay, iLegal document services promise to make legal paperwork fast and easy, but most beginners make mistakes that can render documents invalid or unenforceable. The surprising truth is that automation alone isn't enough. Your input determines the outcome. The first mistake is being too vague when describing your legal issue. DoNotPay generates documents based on your inputs, so unclear or incomplete details can result in errors. For example, stating "I need a contract" without specifying terms, parties, or duration can produce a generic document that doesn't protect your interests. Another common error is skipping the review step. Many users assume that generated documents are perfect, but automated tools can't account for every nuance of law in your state. Always read the document carefully and, when needed, consult a legal professional to confirm accuracy. Many users fail to customize templates for their situation. DoNotPay provides a foundation, but terms like payment schedules, confidentiality clauses, or liability limits must match your real-world needs. Ignoring these details could cost you financially or legally. Another pitfall is not considering jurisdiction-specific rules. Legal requirements differ from state to state, and a document valid in one location may be unenforceable in another. Verify that your document complies with local law. Finally, some assume digital submission is enough. Certain legal documents still require signatures, notarization, or filing with courts or agencies. Skipping these steps can void your document entirely. To use DoNotPay iLegal document properly, provide clear and complete inputs, review every section carefully, customize the document to your situation, check jurisdictional requirements, and complete all necessary formalities like signatures or filing. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and you'll create reliable documents that protect your rights efficiently.